Right, new video. So where did we leave off? Painted this, as you can see. I'll just get a couple of seconds for all the people who are scrolling to go. There we go, they're away probably. Right, so I painted that. I don't know whether or not I should put the second coat on. So my plan today is to fit this sill. But remember, these are not how to do videos. These are I'm just doing it and you just get to watch video. So we shall see how I got on. One of us should just drill a hole here for a wee drain hole for water. I don't know. Right, so postman came with a parcel the minute I started. This pen works good. What the other one? That's there. I don't think this one works. Let's have a look. Right, that is our sill. And I don't need all this part here, so I think what I'll do is I'll mark it here and cut it. We'll stand to the side of the room. There we go. So I shall clamp that now. I don't actually have a plan here. So if I go quiet, it's because I don't have a plan here. Just past that there, and have a look. I'll cut it there. Right. Moving on. Right, that's that marked out. Just go on it. Wind's really picking up. Really noisy. There we go. Something a little bit more drastic too. Like this one. Oh my God. Right, wear gloves, kids. That way you don't stab yourself in the hand like an idiot. Right, I think it may be time for the tent to come down. That wind is really wild. Right, so I just checked the weather there and it's saying the gusts are going to reach 40 mile an hour where I am. And I'm not sure what to do because I don't want to take this tent cover off because it's a pain in the bum. However, I don't want to be caught up in the situation where the tent gets damaged. So, debating here while I carry on. I'll leave this until next week when it's a bit drier, which I don't want to do. So I want to get this done. Yeah, I don't know what to do about that. There's a bit of a frustration that. Fucking knew it. Excuse my language. I'm just going to clamp you there now because this thing's just got to be a pain in the bum. Change of plan. I don't know if you can see that, but the whole tent just moved. So, guess we'll take the tent down today. As you can see, I had to cut the video short. Just a quick update. The wind's just too strong. It's going to get up to about 40 mile an hour. And it's just not worth the risk. It was pulling the frame, which is already damaged. So there's a good chance I'm going to get caught in it. So, stuff the gear out the way of the wind. Alright. It's just the way it is sometimes. So I'll see you in the next video.